Hi everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chick and I am back. Now yesterday I told you that today's idea was going to be a fantastic one and I was not exaggerating. I love this pattern. I wish that I had seen this when I still had a little baby in the back seat or a little child in the back seat of my car. My son is now 20, so this would not be appropriate for him. Okay, so this is called the Owl Treasure Organizer because it's an owl and it organizes all of your little person's treasures. So it's super cute. This is available on Etsy and I'm going to go ahead and open it up so I can give you a few more details about the pattern. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So you can make it with eyes open or with eyes closed. The eyes closed one, it looks like they've got it hanging from a crib, which how cute is that? It's going to sleep. It looks like the one that they have hanging from the crib is maybe facing the outside because they've actually got a little bottle of lotion in there. I'm not sure I would put a bottle of lotion in there, but you know, not my house, right? So I'm just going to take some screen grabs here, but I really love the idea of having that on the back of the front seat so that your little guy can reach things easily. They've got, you know, little figures to play with and maybe a little book there. And I just think this is so cute. I really, really do. So this pattern is written by Vitalina Craft. And it is available for download for $5.50. I'm just going to read a little bit more about it. Let's see here. It looks like you're going to need cotton yarn for this. It looks like brown and cream is what they used. And of course your crochet hooks. They also said that you're going to need a small amount of light pink, dark pink, and orange, blue, petrol, green, red, white, and black cotton. So lots of little bits of color here. Might be a nice way to use up some scraps. You know, you don't have to use the colors that they're suggesting. You can use, as always, any colors that you like. It looks like they've used a sport weight yarn in 5-ply. And I'm trying to see if there's anywhere where it lists a difficulty level. I don't see a difficulty level listed, but it looks like it's gotten some decent reviews here. Love this, was easy to make and very cute and customizable. Someone else said love the pattern, very easy to follow directions. And here's a third one that says another great pattern from this designer, fab. So it looks like people are really enjoying making this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something that you would enjoy making for a little one in your acquaintance? Maybe it's your own child, maybe it's a grandchild, maybe it's a neighbor's child, maybe it's just a friend. But yeah, let me know. I'd be interested to hear if you'd be interested in making this. If you are interested in making this, go ahead and click that link in the description box below to zoom you over to my Pinterest board. From there, it's gonna drive you right to the Etsy shop so that you can purchase the download. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making them. I love making these little videos. I love putting them out every day and giving you guys a different idea every day. It just warms my heart. So as always, I'll see you tomorrow with another great idea. Until then, have a great day. Keep hooking. Bye-bye.